Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off caps lock, scroll lock and num lock into your computer. Very simple, you just need to come over into your search option and going to search for on-screen keyboard. And as you can see, I turned on the on-screen keyboard to showing you which keypad I'm pressing, and that can help you to mark which key you just need to press to turn off caps lock, scroll lock and num lock. As you can see, there is shift and there is caps. So if your computer has a broad key functions, then you can simply click on shift and click caps, and that will turn on your caps lock. You just need to click the same shift plus caps lock and you'll turn off the caps lock in your computer. Also the same, if you click or press shift and scroll lock, it will open your or turn on your scroll lock. And now if you just press shift plus scroll another time, you can see your scroll lock is turned on. And now it's the same functionality for the num lock. Press shift plus num lock, it will turn on your num lock, and if you press shift and num another time, it will turn off your num lock over here. So as you can see, this is how you can turn off your caps lock, scroll lock and num lock into your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.